Today we'll be making corned beef hash with eggs. The ingredients are 2 red onions, 1 whole garlic, 1 large sweet potato, 6 large eggs, 2 cans of corned beef, brand of your choice. Heat your pan and add your corned beef. No need to put oil kasi ang canned corned beef meron na yung shortening. Then add your onions and sweat it. Add a little extra virgin olive oil kung kulang. Then add garlic and saute for a few minutes. After around 2 to 3 minutes, set aside. Use the same pan to fry your sweet potatoes. Add pepper and a little bit of salt. Konting salt lang ha, kasi maalat na ang corned beef. After around 3 minutes, put back your corned beef, then saute together for another 3 minutes. Anong favorite niyo na luto ng corned beef? Yung iba kasi pwedeng pasta, yung iba pwedeng torta. Ano mga bet nyo? Comment down below ha! So after a few minutes, lower down your heat. Using a spoon, make small holes where you can put your eggs. It actually depends on you how many eggs you want. I am making a big batch kasi I can store this in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. This is an easy grab for breakfast or pwedeng pambaon sa office or school. Crack the eggs on the holes that you made and cover for 3 to 5 minutes. Actually, you can bake this, but I prefer not to. If you're going to bake it for 15 minutes. Oh no! Nabasag yung isa. Add some pepper and cover. Cover until makita nyo na luto na yung egg. Depende sa doneness na gusto nyo. After 3 minutes, ayan na siya. Medyo ready na. Then add fresh chopped parsley for garnishing. Tada! Here's the finished product. I hope you liked this video and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below kung ano pang recipes ng corned beef ang ginagawa nyo. Please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload a new video. Always remember, just cook it. Ta-ta!